got so much money.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's be introduce myself. My name is Devia Dwi Amanda. NPM 2411078. I'm from class Management 22E. Here I will explain material about interview. Meaning of interview. An interview is a direct conversation with certain goals with use a question and answer format plan. Interview enables system analysis her goals, feelings, opinions, and informal procedures in interview with decision makers organizational. Interview preparation step. Number 1. Read background material. Read the information about the interview and competence of the files. Number 2. Setting goals. Goals based on background. Number 3. Decide who to interview. Number 4. Prepare interview. Number 5. Arrange them by calling them or sending a mail. Usually, interviews are conducted for 45 minutes or 1 o'clock. Number 6. Determine the type and structure of questions. Type of questions. Number 1. Open-ended. Describe the options for people who interview to respond. They are open and free to respond. Number 2. Closed questions. Limiting the interview's responses by provide several answer quiz. Interview structure. Number 1. Pyramid structure. Number 2. Funnel structure. Number 3. Demodic structure. Advantage of interview. Number 1. The interviewer can motivate the interview to answer freely and openly to questions asked. Number 2. Allow the interview to develop questions according to the developing station. Number 3. The interviewer can assess the correctness of the answer given from the movements and facial expressions of the interview. Number 4. The interview can ask about specific activities don't always happen. Disadvantages of interview. Number 1. The interview process takes a long time, so it is relatively expensive. Number 2. The success of the interview. The results really depends on interview intelligence. Number 3. Interviews are not always appropriate for the circumstances certain orange. For example, in null say and basil locations. Number 4. Interviews are very disruptive to the person's work interview if the has no time limit. Recording interview. 1. Interview can be recorded with a tape record of notebook. Number 2. Audio recordings must require permission and guarantee confidentiality. Advantages of audio recording. Number 1. Display records of the word of the interview. Number 2. Freeze the questionnaire to listen to anything said while responding at the same time. Number 3. Allows better eye contacts as well development of better relationship between inquirers and the person being analyzed. Number 4. The interview can be listened to again for another team member. Large of audio recording. The interview is likely to be somewhat depressed and unable to freely respond. Number 2. The questionnaire is likely to hard easily because everything has been recorded. Number 3. Short please part that are considered important during recording. Number 4. Data collection costs increase because it requires step transcription. Advantage of recording notes. Number 1. Keep the questionnaire alert. Number 2. Increase memory of important questions. Number 3. Helps memory of tendencies the most important interview. Number 4. Solve the questions enters in the question interview. Number 5. Demonstrate the readiness of the questioner. Lack of recorded notes. Number 1. Loss of vital eye contact. Number 2. Loss of conversation threads. Number 3. Makes the interview hesitate to speak well the pen rates. Number 4. Cause excessive attention to facts equally reduce attention to people's feelings and opinions interview. The steps in conducting an interview. Number 1. Determine the theme or topic of the interview. Number 2. Study issues related to the interview topic. Number 3. Prepare a list or outline of questions that will be asked to the resource person. Number 4. Determine sources and find out their identities. Number 5. Contact and make an appointment with the resource person. That's all my explanation. Thank you for ending. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.